Jaboticaba tree, agrowplants.org, also named Jaboticaba, or Brazilian grapes. Okay, so this tree, mostly grown for the fruits. The fruits are actually amazing, but as long as you grow it, you should be aware that the trunk of the tree is very beautiful and the fruit also very ornamental, beautiful. Except this, it can grow as a shrub. I don't know if I think it's possible, and maybe you should consider even to grow it in a shrub. I grow it in a pot because it's need a little bit slightly acid soil, and I don't have it generally in the garden, and it's better for me to contain the growth of this and also to move it to the sun, that I have here a little bit problem with the sun. So okay, so before this, if you would like to grow this plant and perch it, there is a link below, there is a link in the top side of the video, and this is donation for this channel. Okay, so be aware of a little bit how to grow it and some things that you need to know. So first, you can grow it as a bonsai, and it's grow in the tropic. Will be the best for this tree. Mediterranean and subtropical, it's also possible. It won't die, it just will be slowlier, but it's possible. From hardiness zone from 10B plus, like here, it takes quite a lot of time until you will get fruits, but except this, it's quite beautiful. The leaves are red when they're young, so it's also make this much more prettier. Okay, so flowers. You should be aware that in order to find the flowers, and this is important, I think, because you wait for the fruit so much time, at least you will know that the flowers will be on the trunk. Bigger the trunk or the stem or the branch will be, the chances that you will have fruits, it's higher. The fruits, as I said, grow in the trunk. There can be purple, black, this is a color. Inside, this is a peel. It can be also yellow. There is another cultivar that is yellow. Inside is white, and it's something that the fruits bigger, as I said, bigger the trunk will be, more fruits you will have. Okay, so if you choose to grow this tree, you should give it all the needs that it needs. Why? Because it's very, very slowly, and if you don't have the right condition, don't waste your time. It just can take few years until you will get fruits. We will arrive to this later. Okay, so the conditions that need to be, it's moist soil, slightly acid soil, frost-free, and a lot of patience. If you have patience, this is the name of the game. Okay, so best way to start, it will be from cutting, air layering, or to buy just a plant. Seeds, it's also possible, just will be very, very slowly. I grow this tree since it was like 20 centimeter, so it was very, very small. It was from seed, so it's take a lot of time. And still in the right condition, it's a slow growing tree. Planting season can be from the spring to the autumn, and in the tropic can be all the year. Better in a colder area in the spring. Major pests are aphids, and especially if you give it shade. In the shade, it's become very weak, and a lot of pests will attack it. The height of the tree can be 3 to 6 meters. Although here it's very small. I want that it will be small because it will be easier for me to pick it up. And even can be above 8 meters. So it means that 10 to 20 feet, this is a normal size, and above 24 feet, it's possible. It requires average amount of water and will be the best in full sun. Can grow in almost full sun, but it will be less good. Blooming season in the tropic can be all the year. In this climate that it's Mediterranean or subtropical, it's in the spring. The flowers are white and are with notable stamens, and they are growing cluster of 2 to 5 flowers, just be aware. The same for fruits. The fruits in the colder climate will be in the summer, and in the tropic can be all the year. can be, it doesn't mean that it will be. You can eat it raw to make jams, to make juice from this. It's quite of lovely, and this is where start all the problem with this tree, the time that it takes. So if you choose the right cultivar and you give the right condition, it can give fruits, bare fruits, after 5 years. Some cultivars and in some condition can be 20 years. So this is crazy. This tree, as you can see here, it's 4 years, and I just hope that soon enough I will start to see flowers, and in a few months will be the spring, and I will see flowers, and then I will have fruits finally. And I really hope for this. It will be the first year. I grow another cultivar for a lot of years. It was with big leaves. I don't know the name of the cultivar. I saw it once bearing fruit after so many years. I think it was 15 years, one fruit. It was very depressing. You choose the right cultivar. And except this, very good fruits, and this is the reason why you should grow it, because of the fruits. That's all from growplants.org. Don't forget to subscribe, visit our website, and of course, if you have any question, just ask. You have here links about more videos, some lists, subscribe, and of course, purchase a plant, and this is donation for our channel. I hope you enjoy, and come visit us again.